Hey guys, it's marcraftsy again, and I am back with part 2 of my Cocoa Daisy October setup. And I am right now making my bookmark, which will indicate the week I am in right at the moment. And as you can see, yes, some of you might say that I am ruining this acetate, but really I didn't have any good ideas to use it up in my planner. So I decided, because I don't have the memory keeping pocket kit, that I will use it as my calendar. So what I have done is I took the backing card from I guess they were, yes, the die cuts, as you can see the other side of the card. So I took this backing card, I adhered with washi tape that piece of acetate, clear acetate, and I just draw a calendar on it, basically with alcohol pen, so marker. So this will be my bookmark, and really I was struggling this month because I absolutely have no inspiration whatsoever for this kit, and I think I have said that in my previous video already, but so I was very happy when when I found some inspiration, at least. And what I did, I actually let go of any kind of thought process I might have had regarding this kit, and I just throw literally each and one item in the kit on my table, and started well, I just started playing with them, and I just wanted to see what I can do with them, or everything that catches my eye, how I can use it. So that's how this bookmark came to be honest. And I am doing right now, oh, I'm sorry, I bumped the camera, because actually letting go of any kind of thoughts and any kind of plans to be creative and how to be creative got me really into a creative process. I know it sounds weird, and it sounds just exactly the opposite of anything creative, but you know, I just shut down my mind and let it be not clean, empty. Yes, that's the word. I let my mind be empty. So and of course I had have mishaps, like right now I just realized that I didn't have those flap thingies. So how will I adhere my pockets? But it came to be because I just cut that piece of paper in half, and this is the piece of paper I used the stripes for my cover. so I just wanted to use it up anyway. And now I am scoring the fold lines because I will have the flap thingies on this, so I can adhere it. And as I said, I just let go of all my thoughts and I just let myself do what came to me. And that's what you see right now. And I think it's pretty nice. It's pretty nice. What I missed from this kit, because as you have seen, they have the color scheme like every month on the first page of on the top of the calendar, and there is that very pretty deep velvet, I would say, and also there is that deep maroon color. And although they are in the color scheme, but I haven't seen them really in the planner kit. Maybe it was in the if you get the memory keeping pocket kit or the 12 by 12 kit, you had some maroon colors in your kits, but I really missed it in mine. So I wanted to bring it in because of course my pen name is marcraftsy, so why not if I can. And I just really love that color a lot. And also on the side you can probably see that I have pulled out my August die cuts from the daisies, bees and daisies kit, and I have a lot still of them, but I end up not using them. I use these sticky notes to create a pumpkin patch for Simon and Betty, who are just friends. Oh yeah. So, and also I have pulled out my alpha stickers. This is also from the August kit, remaining ones. And now I am just doing the pumpkin patch. This glue stick, what I have right now, it's a new one and I don't like it. It just blah. It's very hard to use actually, and it doesn't stick very well, so if you want to, don't buy the Prittstift. So yes, I will stamp them onto the pumpkins, and to be honest, maybe this is the part where I should have thought about this, step back and think about this, because it wasn't a really good idea. First of all, the Betsy, I had to stamp Betty 2 times on it, so she has a second stamp, I don't know how to say it. And of course, because I stamped them directly or directly, however way you say it, on the pumpkins, they are pumpkin colored, so wasn't a really good idea. I'm still debating if maybe I should just stamp them out on a white page and color them in and just stick it over them. I haven't done that yet, but oh well, maybe we will see. And because because that part was very empty, I wanted to bring in some words or something like a saying or a sentiment, but in the end I just used the Hello Fall from the planner kit stickers and the stamp set from, I guess it's from April. Yes, and I stamped out inspiration on it. And because I really haven't had any idea for the backside, I am only using this cut out from my wall calendar, which says everything that your mind can process, you can make it happen, or something like that. So yes, and I think that concludes my pocket folder, and I really love it. And this was also all of my setup for the October Coco Daisy kit, and I hope you liked it, and I also hope that I have helped you get some inspiration. Thank you for joining me. I will see you next time. Bye!